Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Hotmart Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. At the level of the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on the highlight, scroll down and click on Tools. You're going to scroll down and click on Hotmart Credentials. On Create Credential, here you're going to choose API Hotmart, then click on Create Credentials. You're going to enter your credentials. Once you're done, click on Create Credentials. There we go. Our credential has succeeded. So we're going to copy our client ID. Head over back to your account. You're going to paste your client ID. Go back and copy your client secret. Head over back to your account. Paste your client secret. You're going to go back and copy the basic. Head over back to your account and paste. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been created. We equally have the Support Center. At the level of the Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.